Hey there, culinary cuties. Ready for a treat that's as fun to make as it is to eat? We're whipping up chocolate-covered bananas, a classic for a reason. Easy, breezy, and oh so delicious. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is your ticket to sweet victory. So grab your aprons and let's get this banana party started. Get ready to impress your taste buds and unlock your inner dessert master. Before we dive into the deliciousness, let's round up our tasty troops. It's always exciting to see all the ingredients come together, ready to create something magical. Here's what we'll need. 4 ripe bananas, the stars of our show. Make sure they're nice and ripe, as this will give our treats the perfect sweetness and texture. 1 bag, 12 ounces, of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These will provide a rich, decadent coating for our bananas. Milk chocolate works too if you're feeling extra sweet. It's all about personal preference and how indulgent you want your treats to be. 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, our secret weapon for that smooth, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate coating. This helps the chocolate to set perfectly and gives it a beautiful shine. And, of course, sprinkles, because every party needs a little sprinkle. They add a fun, festive touch and a bit of crunch to our treats. Got everything? Great. Now let's turn those ordinary bananas into extraordinary treats. With these simple ingredients, we're about to create something truly special and delicious. Ready? Let's get started. All right, my fellow dessert enthusiasts, let's get down to business. Today, we're diving into a world of sweet, chocolatey goodness that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Step 1. Grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. This simple step ensures that our delightful treats won't stick and will be easy to handle later. This will be our bananas' comfy resting spot after their chocolate bath. Imagine them lounging there, all cozy and ready for the next step. Step 2, now the fun part. Grab those bananas and peel them with gusto. Feel the excitement as you prepare these delicious fruits for their chocolatey transformation. Peel them with care, making sure to remove all the strings. We want our bananas to be smooth and perfect for dipping. Step 3, time for a chocolate dip. This is where the magic happens. Get ready to coat those bananas in a luscious layer of melted chocolate. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine those yummy chocolate chips and shortening. This combination will give us that perfect glossy finish. Microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each until nice and smooth. We're almost there, folks. The grand finale awaits. Soon we'll have a treat that's both fun to make and delightful to eat. Stay tuned for the final steps. Get ready for the best part. We're about to embark on a delicious journey that will transform simple bananas into a delightful treat that everyone will love. Carefully dip each banana into the warm, velvety chocolate, swirling to coat it evenly. Make sure every inch is covered in that luscious chocolate goodness. Then, while the chocolate is still warm and gooey, sprinkle those beauties with your favorite toppings. Whether it's colorful sprinkles, crunchy nuts, or even a drizzle of caramel, the choice is yours. Gently place those chocolate-covered masterpieces on your prepared baking sheet. Make sure they have enough space so they don't stick together. Pop them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to set. And there you have it. After a short wait, your chocolate-covered bananas are ready to be enjoyed. Your very own chocolate-covered banana extravaganza. They look almost too good to eat, but trust us, you won't be able to resist. And there you have it, my friends. Until next time, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.